Piston Pulse. The BMW X6 is a luxury SUV that blends coupe-like styling with high-performance engineering. It features a bold, aggressive design with a large kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines that emphasize its sporty appeal. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-inspired silhouette, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a strong road presence. The rear boasts slim LED taillights, a sculpted bumper, and dual exhaust tips, adding to the dynamic aesthetic. With various trim levels, including the M Sport package and the high-performance X6 M variant, it offers a range of customization options for an exclusive and personalized look. Inside, the X6 offers a premium cabin with high-quality materials, including Vernasca leather upholstery, aluminum and wood trims, and ambient lighting. The driver-focused cockpit features a curved 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon or Bowers & Wilkins sound system. The X6 also offers a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a 4-zone climate control system for maximum comfort. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom and high-quality seating, despite the sloping roofline. Under the hood, the BMW X6 comes with multiple engine options, starting with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid technology producing 375 horsepower. For more power, the M60i xDrive variant boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 generating 523 horsepower, delivering impressive acceleration and dynamic handling. The high-performance X6M competition pushes the limits with 617 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and performance across various road conditions. The BMW X6 excels in driving dynamics, featuring an adaptive M suspension and an optional air suspension for enhanced ride comfort. The M Sport differential improves cornering performance, while rear-wheel steering provides greater maneuverability. The SUV also includes various drive modes such as Comfort, Sport, and Eco Pro, allowing drivers to tailor their experience. The X6M variant further enhances handling with track-tuned suspension, larger brakes, and performance tires. With a well-balanced chassis and precise steering, the X6 delivers a dynamic and engaging driving experience while maintaining luxury and refinement. Safety and driver assistance features in the X6 are state-of-the-art, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. BMW's Driving Assistance Professional package adds features like Highway Assistant, which enables hands-free driving on certain roads. A 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and automatic parking assist make maneuvering easier, while night vision and head-up display further enhance safety and convenience. The X6 is also equipped with BMW's latest AI-powered voice assistant, allowing drivers to control various functions using natural speech commands. Practicality meets luxury with a spacious cargo area, which expands further with split-folding rear seats. The hands-free power tailgate adds convenience, while various storage compartments enhance everyday usability. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the engine choice, with a mild hybrid 6-cylinder offering better mileage than the V8 models. Overall, the BMW X6 is a high-performance luxury SUV that blends power, technology, and style, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a sporty yet refined driving experience.